Hi, this is Hunyah Travels, and today I'm showing you how to make bubble tea from scratch and at home. It's really easy. For the ingredients you need is some tapioca, some coconut jelly, milk, water, and a little bit of honeydew flavor. That's what you need. First, turn the water on high heat and add in tapioca and boil the tapioca for about 5 minutes. Not too many because this is just for myself. So just let that boil for about 5 minutes. Now the tapioca has been boiled and it's ready to be taken out. It just takes about 5 minutes to let it boil and to take it out. So I'm just going to take it out now. So just taking these out, with a spoon like this. Just gonna put this on low heat so it's easier to take out. So now these are done being taken out. The tapioca has been taken out, so it's ready for its next step. For the next step, I just take the tapioca and I put it into a glass or a mason jar. So I just take the tapioca and I put it in there as the base of the bubble tea, like this, taking it all. And this is going to turn into those ones that you get at the store. Very easy and very simple to make. So now the tapioca is in, so it looks like this. Now time to add in the coconut jelly. So the coconut jelly is a layering that goes on, so a few coconut jelly cubes like this. And that's done. And now for its next step. Halfway through making bubble tea, so I have a half cup of a glass of water. So I'm going to add in a little bit of milk. Mix that. And the honeydew milk tea powder in here. So I'm just going to put it in. I'm going to save the rest for later. And mix it with a spoon. Now this is ready to be put into the jar, into the glass. So you can make it warm, but I like it cold. So this is how I make it. Just mix it. And now what you do is you just pour the mixture into the glass. And it looks like just like the one that you get in the store, like this. Now for its last step, just add a straw, and here you have honeydew milk tea bubble tea right at home with the tapioca, coconut jelly, and the honeydew flavor. So thank you for watching Hunyah Travels. Please share, watch, and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Thank you.